Reopening of the school. Our school reopened on 3rd June 1999 after the summer holidays. The student strength of the school is 400. The classes range from LKG to 10th. Staff, I am very happy to say that we were blessed with the experienced academic skills. Curricular activities. Regular classes started on term 699. For unit tests, quarterly, half-yearly exam meetings and sleep tests were conducted regularly. Weak students were given extra coaching to improve their standard. Morning assembly prayer is conducted every day 9:15 a.m. Important news prepared by the students and read his questions numbered into 4 houses. Green house, blue house, red house and yellow house. School leader and deputy leader were elected through voting. 2 periods a week were set aside for sports and games. National celebrations. We celebrate all the national festivals in accordance with songs of the festival and all took part in with a sense of patriotism and national oneness. Picnic. We conducted a study trip to Bhadrachalam and historical places nearby and Ocean Park at Hyderabad. I hope my students got a lot from this study tour. Medical checkup. A thorough medical checkup with the assistance of the medical officer in 1999. It was foundation laid and inaugurated by our Honorable Health Minister, late Sri A. Madhav Reddy and Sri G. Sukendra Reddy with the financial assistance of SPH